Rahman Rahim. My name is Hikmatullah and I am from orange category. I'm going to explain my model. So this is very interesting model to make energy by the air to the throughout the fan. The fan make energy by the pushing the air to it moves. This model is about to make energy easily. So this model make energy like this. First of all, this model has one air lock. So this fan will move by pushing the air. So this air will start from this button. When we press this button, so first this fan will start and make the first of all this air will push this fans. This fan is rotating and this fan will make energy. So the energy is made fully. So here the indicator will show us the 220 volts voltage. So now we are ready to provide the energy to our homes. So like we press this button, so like this model has very benefits because this is a pollutionless and very not taking energy system. So this is easily model we can produce energy by the help of fan and the naturally air. So the air will come, the fan, it will start rotating and make the energy. So energy will start. It shows this is a small indicator, and then we press this button to give the energy to all this home. So thank you for my topic. Thank you.